In this problem, we have given vector v has magnitude 9.1 units and vector u has magnitude 6.9 units. Vector v is along negative x-axis and vector u is along at angle 66 degree to the positive x-axis. This is vector u and this is vector v. So first we will write vector v in the form of component. So this will be equal to minus 9.1 I cap and vector u will be equal to 6.9 cos 66 I cap plus 6.9 sin 66 j cap. So this vector u plus vector v should be equal to 6.9 cos 66 minus 9.1 I cap plus 6.9 sin 66 j cap.